Hi, I'm Dr. David at Magnolia Skin Center. We are going to discuss today PRP hair restoration. What is PRP? Platelet-rich plasma. That is when we spin the blood. When you spin the blood, we have a special separator. The cells go to the top, the cells go to the bottom, the liquid goes to the top. So you have the red blood cells on the bottom, the gold liquid on the top. That gold liquid is gold because it has the regenerative parts of the blood that regrow you, heal you, make your connective tissues regrow. So it's magic. So this can be injected into the scalp to turn on a regenerative response to regrow your scalp structures and to regrow your hair. Okay, so question number one: how do injections made from my own blood trigger my thinning hair to grow back thicker and healthier? Your immune system is what turns you from a cell into a whole human being. So your immune system is regenerative. So the regenerative components can regrow any part of you, including the parts that grow hair, so that you can regrow your scalp skin and back into healthy scalp skin and regrow your hair. Question number two: does getting these natural growth factor injections directly into my scalp hurt? And do you numb my head? If I did not numb you, yes, they would hurt. So we use numbing so that the injections are tolerable and that you are not experiencing pain because we use numbing. Question number three: how many days do I need to wait before I can wash my hair, diet, or use my normal styling products? Because I've made some holes in your scalp because we are using some needles, we do want to be careful about getting products and other chemicals into that. So we want a few days for that to heal before you would do things that could irritate, like get any dyes in there. Um, Washing your hair you can do the next day, but very gently with a method that doesn't sort of uh, irritate those areas where they're trying to heal. How many total scalp injection sessions will I need before I notice my hair stops shedding so much? So, um, you will start noticing this right away. The main way within days to weeks, okay, is the answer. The main way you notice stuff like that is the hair in the drain, the hair in the shower, the hair on your pillow. You'll notice that instead of 15 hairs on my pillow in the morning, there's now two. Okay, question number five: can these injections fix advanced male pattern baldness, or does it only work for early stage thinning? If the answer to that is it depends. If it's advanced so that the follicles are actually gone, okay, then that's a problem because you can't cause new follicles to actually grow. You've got to have follicles that are still there, but maybe are dormant or sick or not functioning like they should. So we always want to get people in earlier stages rather than later stages. But let me assess you and see what's going on with those follicles before we make a determination. Question number six: will my hair temporarily shed more right after my scalp treatment before it starts growing back? No, it's not going to shed more because we did this treatment. Number seven: how long do the hair density results last? And do I need to get maintenance shots to keep my hair? So the hair density results are going to improve and they're going to last for months. But of course, you're going to need to get ongoing maintenance treatments because if you it can't be a one and done because you're going to return to aging or whatever the reason was that you were losing these hair follicles. So you're going to have to do ongoing treatments to maintain and to continue to regrow the hair. That's always the case with hair restoration. Hair restoration is always going to be ongoing maintenance to keep regrowing and restoring hair and maintaining. So thank you very much at Magnolia Skin Center.